Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve financial ratios with General Electric, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding financial ratios is crucial for evaluating a company's performance. General Electric, or GE, is a prime example to study these concepts. First, familiarize yourself with key financial ratios. These include the current ratio, quick ratio, debt-to-equity ratio, return on equity, and profit margin. Next, obtain GE's financial statements. You can find these on their official website or through financial data platforms like Yahoo Finance or Google Finance. Once you have access, focus on the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Start by calculating the current ratio. This ratio measures liquidity by comparing current assets to current liabilities. For GE, look up their total current assets and current liabilities from the balance sheet. Divide the current assets by current liabilities for the current ratio. Next, calculate the quick ratio. This ratio provides a more stringent test of liquidity by excluding inventory from current assets. Using the same balance sheet, subtract inventory from current assets. Then divide this number by the current liabilities. Now, move on to the debt-to-equity ratio. This ratio assesses financial leverage. Take GE's total liabilities and divide by their shareholders' equity found in the balance sheet. Next, calculate the return on equity. This ratio indicates how effectively management is using equity to generate profit. You can find net income on the income statement and divide it by shareholders' equity. Finally, calculate profit margin. Profit margin showcases how much profit a company makes for every dollar of sales. Find net income and total revenue on the income statement. Divide net income by total revenue to get the profit margin ratio. After calculating these ratios, compare them with industry benchmarks. This comparison will help you understand GE's position within its industry. Identifying areas for improvement is key. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.